So last year, Oppo launched its first ever foldable phone, that is Oppo Find N. It came with a less visible crease and also it was a compact phone. And now its successor is in the works and it might launch next month. The company is currently working on two foldable phones. One of them is the Oppo Flip phone and the other one is the rumored Find N2. And now we have leaked screenshots of the Oppo Find N2. The screenshot seems to be taken from a testing unit that reveals its key specs. As can be seen, the device bears PGU110 model number and it features a 120Hz refresh rate display. The screenshot also reveals that the device will be powered by a Qualcomm processor, which is likely to be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. Apparently, the Find N2 will come with an improved foldable display as well as an improved hinge. It may get a 7.1-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. The fingerprint scanner would be integrated into the power button. Powering this device could be a 4520 mAh battery and it might come with ColorOS 13, which is based on Android 13. For an optimized photography experience in low light conditions, the Find N2 will come with Oppo's own Mary Silicon X chip. Apart from this, it is also expected to come with Hasselblad's optimizations, so it seems to be a pretty good foldable phone. According to the information, the production of the handset is already underway, which means it won't take too long to go official. It is likely to offer in black, white and green color options. Just like its predecessor, the Find N2 could also be limited to China and it may not launch in the global market. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.